Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into an in-depth review of the POCO X6 Pro, the latest offering from POCO that promises to deliver high-end features at an affordable price range. So let's explore the design, performance, camera capabilities and overall user experience of this exciting new device. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. So, an overview of the POCO X6 Pro. The POCO X6 Pro features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 12000 chip, it ensures top-tier performance and efficiency for multitasking and gaming. The advanced triple camera system, led by a 64-megapixel primary sensor, offers versatile photography capabilities. Now let's talk about performance and battery life. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 1200, the POCO X6 Pro stands out with its impressive performance for gaming, multitasking, and productivity tasks. The chipset's AI enhancements optimize app performance and user experience. The 5000 mAh battery supports 67-watt fast charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day with minimal downtimes. Now let's talk about design. The POCO X6 Pro boasts a sleek modern design with Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and a vegan leather on the back, and a sturdy metal frame, and is also available in a range of colors that combines aesthetic appeal with durability. Now let's talk about the camera system. The triple camera setup on the POCO X6 Pro is designed for versatility and quality. The 64-megapixel primary sensor captures detailed and vibrant photos. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. And last but not least is the 2-megapixel macro lens, ideal for close-ups shots with intricate details. It also features advanced features like night mode, pro mode, and 4K video recording, ensuring you can capture every moment with clarity and precision. Let's talk about storage and memory. With options for a 128GB and 256GB of internal storage option paired with a 6GB or 8GB of RAM, the POCO 6 Pro offers ample space for apps, photos and videos. And it is also expandable storage via microSD, ensuring you have all the space you need. Now let's talk about connectivity. The POCO X6 Pro supports 5G technology, providing lightning fast download and upload speeds with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. You get the latest in connectivity options for high-speed data transfers and low latency streaming. Now let's talk about software and user experience. Running on MIUI 13 based on Android 12, the POCO X6 Pro offers a smooth and intuitive user interface with customizable features. The POCO's commitment to regular updates ensures your device stays current with the latest features and security patches. Speaking of security, now let's talk about it. The POCO X6 Pro features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock, offering secure and convenient ways to unlock your device. Regular software updates from POCO ensures your data remains protected and safe. Well, in conclusion, the POCO X6 Pro represents excellent value for money, blending high-end features with affordability. Whether you are a gaming enthusiast, a photographer, or a multitasking pro, this device is designed to meet your needs with its powerful performance and versatile capabilities. Well, thanks for joining me on this video in this deep dive. if you may. So see you next time, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. So see you next time. Bye.